In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Confluence Whiteboard. Whether you're an experienced Confluence user or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the basics of setting up and utilizing this powerful tool to enhance your collaborative efforts. Begin by accessing your Confluence space, or if you prefer, start from the homepage. From there, you'll want to locate the Create button, which is typically situated at the top of your page. Click on that, and you'll be presented with several options. Here, you'll need to select Whiteboard from the menu. This selection will take you into the whiteboard interface, an opportunity for creative and collaborative planning. Once you're in, you're faced with a decision. Choose a template from the gallery that fits your needs, or start with a fresh blank canvas if you prefer to build your project from scratch. Templates can be handy, providing a structured starting point, but sometimes starting with a blank slate allows for complete flexibility. You'll notice a toolbar made available for your use, an essential part of your whiteboard experience. This is where you'll find all the tools required to draft and design your ideas. Each tool caters to different elements that you might want to add to your whiteboard. If you're looking to jot down quick ideas, consider using the sticky notes feature. It's perfect for capturing fleeting thoughts and information on the fly. For visual organization, make use of the various shapes provided. Rectangles, circles, and more can help in structuring your information clearly and efficiently. If you have multiple elements that need to be logically connected, employ lines or arrows to link them together, which aids in maintaining a flow within your ideas. Text boxes are ideal for adding descriptions or detailed explanations directly on your board. They help in giving context or supplementary information to your visual elements. To further enhance your whiteboard's visual appeal, you can insert images. Images can illustrate concepts effectively and provide additional context that purely textual information might lack. Additionally, consider utilizing stamps for quick visual cues. They are handy for drawing attention to specific points or marking things for follow-up. Now, let's talk about collaboration and sharing. After crafting your whiteboard, sharing it with your team is essential for effective collaboration. Simply click the Share button, usually found at the top right of your screen. This will give your team access to view or collaborate on the board. Encourage feedback and discussions by using the comment feature. It's a great way to engage with your team, share insights, and refine your ideas collectively. With these steps, you're all set to make the most out of Confluence Whiteboard, transforming your collaborative efforts into a seamless and productive experience. Thank you for joining, and happy whiteboarding.